monitor in the room. Get us live on YouTube.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, and no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alexandria Youssef. This is ticket number SP 14371481. This is one count disregard signal red or amber. This is the date time set for a formal hearing. Counsel, may I have your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Judge. Melanie Alawi on behalf of Alessandra Youssef.
All right, and I do have the officer on this matter. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Officer Posh, Bash 4191, assigned to the 3rd Precinct.
Thank you very much, sir. It's my understanding there has been a resolution reached in this matter. Is that correct, attorney?
Correct.
All right. Is it blockading?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you stipulate to the 4 corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You have permission to act on behalf of your client. Is that correct?
I do.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended, a plea responsible to the amended charge blockading. That fine is $175. She has 14 days to pay it, so it's due by June 20th. June 20th.
Very
Okay.
good, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your patience this morning. If there's nothing further, everyone's all set. Officer, please stay safe out there, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Madam Counsel. And pronounce your last name for me again, ma'am.
Alawi.
Alawi?
Correct.
Okay. All right. Very nice to see you. Did you have her P number? You got it? Hold on.
No,
No, can I have your P number, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. 79660.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Do you typically practice in this area or no?
I'm sorry. Yes, from time to time.
Okay. All right. I'd just like to say, I haven't seen you before. I just want to say hello.
There's so many courtrooms.
There are tons of courtrooms, so you're all set. Thank you so much.
All right,
Have a
thank
good day, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah. But this ticket.
Oh, it's on.
Right. Mr. Wells,
Yes,
what happened?
yes.
What happened? Were you in the breakout room?
Hold on, I can't hear you. I'm sorry. Hold on. Hello?
Were you in the breakout room?
Yeah, I was. I don't know what happened. I guess it timed out or something. I had to rejoin back in on this.
Okay, let me see what room. Well, I'll put you in. Put it back in eight.
All right, we got you.
Okay, I'll put you back in, breakout room number 8, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Wells?
Yes.
Well,
I'm
okay.
Yes.
sorry, I'm not done with him. Mr. Wells, I forgot to make a little note on your name tag there. Please stand by while I do that. Okay, now he's ready for the breakout room. Thank you.
The wait room, okay.
The wait down room, yeah.
Hmm.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Taylor.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. I have a few problems this morning. I was trying to find courtroom 425 with Eric D. Crockton.
That is the officer. So what courtroom are you really looking for? That's not the judge, that's the officer who wrote the ticket.
It just said join Zoom hearing with www.districtcourt.org. Eric D. Crockton, officer 0349-062-665. Oh no, courtroom 425. I'm sorry. But it
425?
yes, ma'am, but it doesn't have a judge on there.
Okay. What's your last name?
Taylor, Taylor.
Okay. And your first name?
Lakeisha, Lakeis.
You have a case number? Read me, hold on a minute. Give me 1 second. Give me that case number. We're gonna try and find out where you're supposed to be, okay?
Okay. The case number is SP 14
Uh-huh.
628 171 OT. But I have 3 of them, so it's 71, 72, and 73.
Okay. Okay, we gotta look it up for you. We're not familiar with this courtroom, but you're right. It is courtroom 425. Give us 1 second, Ms. Taylor, okay?
Okay, cool.
Your Honor, how much longer are we going to wait on that case?
So if, you know, he was scheduled to be here at 8:40. You can go ahead and leave, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You ready, Miss Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
360.
That's the courtroom.
I'm giving you the Zoom number, like how you zoomed into my courtroom. I'm gonna give you the Zoom punch in, okay?
So it's 360.
336
Oh, 336.
0000. I'm just giving you the Zoom. Yep,
So is it 3 zeros or 4 zeros?
4 zeros. So it's
Okay.
360-336-0000. So put that code in for the Zoom code, like whatever login, and it should take you to the right court.
Okay, so you said 300-336-000?
No, 360.
Okay, 360.
336.
336 quadruple 0.
Yep, that's
Okay.
right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Miss Taylor. Good luck to you, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What's happening?
Probably want nobody.
What's going on, Miss Taylor?
Judge Taylor, can you please give me the number one time? I didn't have a good pen.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
360
360
336
336.
0000.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, no problem.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss Williams? Shakira Williams,
Yes,
have you spoken with the attorney?
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna place you in the waiting room until the judge is ready, okay?
Okay.
And of course you can't do it.
Ms. Witcher, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until we get started with the docket, okay? Attorney Baldwin.
Good morning.
This one, what's TWDC? What that mean?
Oh, that doesn't make any sense now, does it? I want to do everything and I can only do one thing. There we go. Boom. That was a G to disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
Okay. We ready on all cases, Your Honor? Can I have 2 minutes, please?
Absolutely. You just let me know when you're ready to start, and I'll get started with Mr. Young first.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be right back.
Okay. Just put yourself on mute for a moment, Mr. Young, okay?
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you. And I'm ready to work.
No problem, Attorney Baldwin. Mr. Young, you can unmute yourself. Now calling the matters of the people versus Darrell Young. This is speaking number 415437. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. U ticket 657-43410. One count disorderly conduct. Ticket number 736110. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Count 3, no insurance. U ticket 861-46312, entering without owner's permission. Ticket number SP 1173925, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1233871, count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SX 3344000, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SX CR337, count one, no operator's license on person. U ticket 181-42114. This is one count of entering property without owner's permission. Ticket number U 181-42214. One count of entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. U ticket 181-64214, entering a building without owner's permission. Ticket U 2308715, entering a vacant building without owner's permission. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Young, please state your name.
Darrell Young.
Also, there are officers who appear today for the purpose of trial. Please, one at a time, state your name and badge numbers.
Police Officer Philip Tillison, badge number 4615.
Sergeant Rhonda Sherman, badge S1029.
Sergeant Sherman, Officer Tillison, please accept my thanks for your coming. However, the defendant is going to waive his right to any trial today, Your Honor. You're going to plead guilty. There's a recommendation from the prosecutor that if he pleads to one count of disorderly conduct, that the balance of the instant cases would be dismissed here. The majority of them for failure of complaining witness, accepting the two officers who appear this morning. The defendant is ready to make a factual basis right now, Your Honor. He's been advised.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 27th of 2010. At that time, were you in the area of 15816 Merlin Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you acting in a disorderly manner in that area, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor. I stipulate the probable cause as to those matters being dismissed.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter one plea of disorderly conduct. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Mr. Young, I look over several of these tickets and they have to deal with the same type of behavior and conduct. I see that some of them are older, so I'm hoping that that means that conduct has been in the past.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, you got way too many tickets at one point in time for doing the same type of thing over and over again. You need to correct that behavior. Also, some of the tickets have what's called tickets that went into default. That means that you may have some fines and costs out there that you still need to pay because those weren't addressed today because they're older tickets, okay?
Okay.
They're civil infractions, but all of your misdemeanors have been handled, okay? My fine today is going to $300. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
Up to 60 days.
All right, I'll make it due no later than August the 7th of 2023, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you, officers. Stay safe out there.
I do have a question.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Young, go ahead.
Is I'm going to get an email or anything about the remaining balance or just pay it?
You don't get an email. So what I would suggest that you do is you take a day and come down here. On the first floor is open and you can talk to one of the cashiers about your balance and they'll be able to print it out and tell you what you owe to the court still, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, and then they'll be able to give us a couple of days to put this in the system, but they'll be able to tell you exactly what you have left to pay so you can figure it out, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Young, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Sergeant Sherman, you're set too. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Take care.
You too, thank you. What God do? Corey Walls?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you gotta turn on your camera, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of, are you sitting, are you laying on your side?
Huh?
Are you laying on your side for court? Okay. Now calling the matter of people versus Corey Unique Walls. This is ticket number SP 1114352. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your full name for the record, ma'am?
Corey Walls.
So I believe we're here for an arraignment. We will waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint and stand mute. And that's it for that.
It says pretrial. You know, she paid, it was a stop street or intersection failed to stop on this ticket, and she paid that fine.
Oh, well, I would move to dismiss her based on payment of that moving violation.
I'm going to dismiss it without prejudice, okay?
Thank you kindly, Your Honor.
All right. So Ms. Walls, what ended up happening, you paid the stop street intersection failed to stop ticket. So we're just going to dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Ms. Walls. You can log off.
One more bit of advice, Ms. Walsh, please, before you hang up. In the future, you paid that ticket. It was probably a matter of convenience for you, but you incurred points on your driving record for just paying that ticket rather than making a court date. You could have come to court on both of these tickets, and we would have, kept your record safe from getting any points. So in the future, just try to make a court date and stay on top of things, all right? Don't just try to pay things. Sometimes it doesn't make it better.
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck for your future.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Attorney Baldwin.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Antonio Wiley?
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, please.
Hello.
Now calling the matter of people versus Antonio Montez Wiley. This is ticket SP 1334480. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, expired plates. Count three, pass on right. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Antonio Wiley.
Thank you, Judge. We're here for a pretrial. The defendant has a recommendation that if he pled to blockading, the balance of the instant cases would be dismissed. He's going to give a factual basis here and now. Thanks.
Thank you. Do you stipulate to the four corners of the ticket to establish a factual basis for that?
Absolutely, yes, Your Honor. So stipulated. I also stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed.
Thank you so much, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge responsible for blockading. Sir, that fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you?
I was going to ask for a little bit more time.
How much time do you need, sir?
Maybe a month.
Okay, so if I do July 6th, is that enough time?
Let me see. Could it be the 14th by chance?
Yep, I'll do it July. Have it in by July 21st, okay?
Okay, that's great.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you are all set. Oh, and I dismissed the remaining counts.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, July 21st, okay? Is that gonna be enough time?
Yes, 100.
$75.
Oh, $75. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks so much.
Okay. All right, that time period still enough time for you, Mr. Sir?
I hope so.
All I'm gonna give you until August 7th, okay? August 7th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
August? Okay, that's even better. It really is. I really appreciate
I
it.
know. I can tell you got some stuff that you're trying to make sure happens, and so I don't want to mess you up, okay?
Yeah, thanks.
I see you in the little kids' room, so I understand you probably have some children, so you're trying to make sure everything's happens. I'm
Yeah,
with you. I can work with you, okay?
That's true. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I will. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stepping right, you can sign off, Mr. Wiley. Stepping right.
Hello?
Hello, can you turn your
Yeah.
camera on for me, please?
Beg your pardon?
Turn your camera on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Start my video.
there we go. Now calling the matter of people versus Stephen Douglas or Stephen Douglas, right? This is ticket
Yes, ma'am.
SP 1409888. This is one count disobeyed lawful orders of police officer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
My name is Stephen Douglas Wright.
Thank you, and good morning again, Mr. Wright. Judge, this matter is set for a pretrial. The defendant's pleasure would be that a not guilty plea would be entered, that I would indicate to you that there is a genuine and material issue of fact, and he's asking for a trial date, Your Honor, please and thank you. A waiver trial by Zoom.
Okay. All right, sir, if that's the case, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, Your Honor. I would like to have a jury trial instead of a
Jury
bench trial.
trial? Okay,
Please.
so do you have counsel? So you need
Please.
to come
Nope.
back with some counsel, okay? So I'm gonna give you a date to come back so that you can make sure that you have some counsel, because then I'm going to have to pick dates for that jury trial.
So do I have to retain my own counsel?
If please, yes. I was gonna say, if you can't afford counsel, we can have counsel appointed for you.
Okay, I'm disabled. I received disability,
Okay.
so I wouldn't be able to afford counsel.
Okay. I know you were trying to talk Attorney Balkman to him, but he seems like he's pretty adamant, so I'll just let him, I'll
Well,
have him have counsel. Huh?
Understood. We talked about it. He indicated to me that he wouldn't mind waiving, but I think he changed his mind. It's okay to, if you change your mind, we're here to respect your wishes, sir. That's fine.
Absolutely.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
All right.
You're welcome.
So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have you call the courtroom when we get off, because I have to have counsel assigned to you.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have you come back so I can make sure that counsel is picked, and then we can pick a jury date that day.
Excuse me, Your Honor, would it be easier for the courts? Because I know that you guys have a lot going on with the Zooms. Would it be easier for me to have a bench trial? The attorney did say it would be.
It's what you want. Listen, I'm just here. I have to come to work regardless, Mr. Wright. I just have to make sure that like the attorney's in place, and then that we pick a date that works with them. So jury trial is not a bad thing. It's just that it's a couple of more steps. So it's whatever you want, Mr. Wright. And we can always do a bench trial, and then if you decide you want to have a jury trial, we can have a jury trial. It's just gonna be longer. You know what I'm saying?
Let's do that. Let's have a bench trial and see how it goes, because I'm really adamant about this.
That's fine, Mr. Wright. And if you decide on a day that we're scheduled to have the bench trial, you want a jury trial instead, we'll do that. You won't give up the rights completely, okay? So how about I don't swear you in at this point in time? I'm going to set it for a bench trial, but if you change your mind that day, we'll just do it. We'll select it for a jury trial, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Absolutely. I was gonna say, we can talk this up. I'm not Mr. Wright. I don't hold stuff against, and I don't think it's your decision, okay? It is a misdemeanor, so you do have that decision, okay? Right now, my bench trial date is September 18th. September 18th, okay? Yeah.
Okay.
They're far, okay? At 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay? I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
Same way you came on today. Like I said, at that time, if you decide that you would like to have a jury trial, Just let me know and we'll try and get you in. We'll get you in before the end of the year, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so come back
At 9 o'clock, you said?
at 9 o'clock on September 18th, okay?
And I'll use all of the same information to get into the courtroom?
All the same information, sir. Do you need me to give it to you again or you good?
No, I have it. It's 360-337-000.
That's correct, sir. Yep,
Okay.
4 zeros, okay?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Wright, and remember that, think about it, because if you change your mind by then, just let me know that day, okay? If not, we'll see if we can get something together, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're very right, Mr. Wright. All right, if there's nothing further, bond set at $0. I'll see you on that date, okay, sir?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I guess I'm all set.
You are, Mr. Wright. You can go ahead and sign off, okay?
Okay.
Carla Young, Carla Young.
Here.
Now calling the matter of people versus Carla Renee Young. This is ticket SP 1211229. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name?
Carla Renee Young.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Young. The defendant is here for the purpose of an arraignment on a bench warrant. Please accept a not guilty plea here from the defendant. For the purpose of arraignment, we'll waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint and set aside any warrant or capias as the defendant appears here by way of the Zoom technology. Your Honor, the defendant is asking for a next action date at pretrial, please. She actually arrives today with documentation, but she does not have the updated version. So if you give her a next action date at pretrial, she's going to come back in compliance.
Okay. My next pre-trials aren't until August. So you got plenty of time, Ms. Young, okay?
Okay.
August 23rd at 8:30 a.m., okay? I'll enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. August 23rd, 8:30 a.m. Bond set at $0, okay? All right, ma'am, you're all set. You can log off. I'll see you back August 23rd, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Williams?
Hello?
Hello? All right,
Yeah.
now calling the matter of the people versus Brandon Jarrell Williams. This is ticket SP 1417154. Count 1, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name, please.
Brandon Jarrell Williams.
Thank you. So, Your Honor, we're here for a pretrial. The defendant has sent to my attention valid documents, namely registration and insurance in his name that are current and valid. He also has proof that he corrected the improperly displayed plate, has sent me to my attention a picture of the back of his vehicle, and it has the plate properly affixed to the rear of the vehicle. It had previously been in the back window. Finding that he is in compliance and attesting to that as an officer of the court, please dismiss these matters. I would stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation here and thank the prosecutor and the court.
All right. Being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation as well as valid placement of his plates, the court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, you see how important it is to make sure everything's always valid, up to date in your vehicle?
Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make sure you keep it that way, okay, sir?
I will.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set. Have a good day.
You as well. Bye.
I will. Thank you. Demarius Whitmore.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Demarius Whitmore. This is ticket SP, what is it? SP 1223374. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1371884. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1132914. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. State your name for the record.
Demarius Whitmore.
Thank you, Judge. This matter is here for a show cause. The defendant inadvertently missed a court date. He's here in person, so for an arraignment purpose, please accept a not guilty plea from him. We'll waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint, and we are asking please for a pretrial date. He's been advised. I think he's going to come back with a valid license.
All right, cool. All right, sir, I'm gonna have you come back on August 23rd, 2023. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Did you tell him about that ticket that's probably holding him up, that no insurance, no proof
I
of
did.
insurance?
I did. Just to remind him, Your Honor, you're going to go to the Secretary of State and get an analyst to provide you with a list of the cases that are keeping you tripped up. Okay, that way when you come back to your pretrial date, you're going to have quite a bit of focus. You probably have a lot done. If not, your license.
All right, 8:30 a.m. bond set at $0 personal. We'll see you then, okay, sir?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Have a good one.
You too.
Ms. White? Ms. White?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, turn on your video for me. Now calling the matter of the people versus Angelique White. This is ticket SP 1362737. Count 1, drove with revoked license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your full name?
Angelique Lene White.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. White. Judge, the defendant is requesting that the matter be set for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
All right, that's the case, ma'am. Please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, all right. I'll set this for a waiver trial on the date of September 18th, 2023, okay, at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you came on that day, came on today, come on that day, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so September 18th, okay, 9 a.m.
Via Zoom.
Via Zoom, $0 bond. Put it in your phone. You can put it in your phone right now. That's not rude. I don't want you to forget.
Okay.
All right. September 18th. Okay. You're looking like I'm trying to write it down. Don't forget it.
September 18th
Yep.
at 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
via Zoom. Okay.
Okay.
And what
All right.
was the Zoom information?
It's the same information. I can give it to you right now. It's 360-337.
Mm-hmm.
0000.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. Okay. I'll see you then. Okay.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right, Ms. Witcher? Is it Dewana? Is that what it is, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of People versus Dewana Witcher. This is ticket SP 1361558. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you, ma'am, state your name for the record?
Dewana Witcher.
Thank you, and good morning, ma'am. Judge, please.
Just stop for 1 second working. It's only gonna take 2 seconds, I promise. And you're gonna be right back at it, okay? All right, go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. This is an arraignment.
All right.
No, this is a show cause. So for arraignment, please accept a not guilty plea from the defendant. We'll waive any more formal reading of the information complaint and ask for a pretrial date, please, and thank you.
All right, at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial on the date of August 23rd. August 23rd at 8:30 a.m. I'll put your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set. You can log off. Miss Keela Watkins Ramsey?
Keela Wilkins Ramsey.
Wilkins Ramsey, okay. All right.
Keela.
Now calling, yes. You gonna come into the camera?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the People versus Keela Wilkins Ramsey. This is ticket SP 1433849. Count 1. Nope, these tickets are all in default. Oh, but they're from this year. Count 1, failed to stop within the sure clear distance ahead. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1433904. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, failed to provide information regarding accident. Ticket number SX 4152975. No operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 1450494. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please support Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Keela Wilkins Ramsey.
Judge, we're asking that the matter be continued as a pretrial. The defendant is working on compliance. He's been advised.
Do you have a motion for the tickets that are in default at this time, counsel?
Absolutely, yes, Your Honor. I move to set aside those defaults in the name and interest of justice.
All right, so at this time, the court is going to set aside those defaults. They're 2023 tickets, counsel, so I feel like that's more. At this time, and enter please, just make sure that they make our docket. Ma'am, I'm gonna see you back on August 23rd. That gives you plenty of time. August 23rd, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. You may, I see some of these tickets are tickets that have points on them. So hopefully it hasn't been reported to the insurance agency yet, but we'll try and get those taken out as if we can, but it may have been reported already, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. We'll see you back on August the 23rd, 2023, okay?
Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great one.
You too. Thank you very much, ma'am. Michael Wells.
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, please. Mr. Wells, you don't have no shirt on for court today? On top of it too. Put a shirt on, I'll wait.
All right, give me a second.
Okay.
Hello.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Michael Wells Jr. This is ticket SP 1291941, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1291944, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Count two, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count three, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1413017, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your full name, please, sir?
Michael Wells.
Mr. Wells would ask for a trial date, Your Honor, a waiver trial date by Zoom. He's been advised, and there's a genuine and material issue of fact.
If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case? You okay today, Mr. Wells? You had a long night. You work nights.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, because you're doing a lot of, like, I'm bothering you. I'm sorry. I don't mean to, Mr. Wells. I'm just here. Okay? I know it can be rough. I know you've been waiting for a long time. I appreciate your patience. You just gotta try and, just focus for me. Okay, Mr. Wells?
Yeah, I'm here with you.
Okay, thank you. All right. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me. The officers will have to come to court via Zoom, as well as you will have to come to court via Zoom at that time. You can present any witnesses you want. That's what you want to do, sir?
Yes, because those tickets, I'm not sure where they came from. I've never been pulled over with open alcohol or in my life suspended at that time.
So did Attorney Bachman give you some instructions too about what to do in the interim? Because if those aren't you, you need to make sure nobody has your information, okay?
Right. No, we didn't. He just told me that I can do a trial.
Okay. All right. If you do want to talk to him for a moment afterwards, just let me know. Because if you're saying it's not you, then we want to make sure we put things on alert so nobody's using your information, okay?
Okay.
I'll chat you my phone number, sir. Feel free to call me after we leave court.
Okay, cool.
All right.
So I'm going to set it for September the 18th, okay, at 9 a.m. via Zoom, the same way you came on today. Come on at that day, 9 a.m., $0 bond, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Please, before you log off, record my number in the chat. You can either screenshot that or write it down.
Okay, I did that.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Good luck.
Tamika Williams?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tamika Williams. This is ticket number SP 1363780. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count two, expired plates. Count three, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. State your name for the record.
Tamika Patrice Williams.
Thank you, and good morning again, Ms. Williams. Judge, the defendant is going to plead guilty here. There's a recommendation that if she pleads to the reduced count of improper plate, well, I think that's the only charge is one count. Is that right?
It is, she has two tickets that are in default. So did you want me to do that? And then,
Yeah, move to set aside those defaults. as companion cases here and completely appropriate, considering that the defendant appears today. There's a recommendation. We'd ask that those defaults be incorporated in that recommendation as dismissals, that the defendant is going to plead guilty to the instant.
All right, so the court is going to reinstate these civil infractions and set aside the defaults, okay? Ms. Williams, you understand what just happened? You had 3 tickets total when you got pulled over, and 2 of them went into default. You didn't come to court. We're gonna take those out of default, and you're just gonna plead a 1 count, the improper plates, but it's really gonna be failed to display, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, ma'am, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, Ms. Williams. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today, Ms. Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 14th of 2022. At that time, ma'am, were you in the area of Greenfield and Kendall Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license at that time, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Stipulate the probable cause as to those matters being dismissed.
Thank you so much, counsel. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates, Ms. Williams. I'm going to dismiss the other 2 cases. That's better so you can try and get that license if you don't already have it, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so my fine is $200 typically. Is that something you're able to afford?
Could you give me a little time to pay it? Your Honor, I'm being honest.
30 to 60 days. Is 60 days, 30 days? Is that enough time, ma'am?
At least probably 60. I'm gonna be honest, Your Honor, because I'm kind of messed up a little bit right now.
You need 90 days?
Probably so, because I owe DTE, rent, everything. I'm behind. I'm being honest with you.
All right, I appreciate your honesty, Ms. Williams, okay? I'm gonna set
Yes,
it for September 6th, 2023. What I suggest to you, ma'am, is that don't try and pay it all at once. Make payments
Could
on
I
it.
send like a little bit at a time? Would that be okay?
You go online and pay a little bit at a time, okay? There's
Yes,
also
Your Honor.
a reinstatement fee with the no proof of insurance. That's $45, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
More, so just know that. That's probably what will hold up your license. So just pay
Yes, Your
payments
Honor.
at a time. If you're paying on it, it's okay. If you need a little bit more time after that, we'll give you some more, but just be making payments on. Don't call and ask for more time and you ain't paid at least $25, $50 on it, okay?
So altogether, Your Honor, I have to pay $250 just to round it off.
It sounds like it's about $250, yeah.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, you're very welcome, Ms. Williams. Okay, good luck to you. I'm sorry you're behind on everything, but I hope it's gonna get better, okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor, and I appreciate you and the prosecutor and my attorney, and you all have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. Wait. Here you go. I know. What happened to you?
I don't know. I'm surprised you didn't. You gonna maybe you gonna put that in.
Attorney Boffman, she spoke to you for a while about how she was having a tough time.
Yeah, Your Honor, she didn't tell me so much about how she was having a tough time as much as she rides the bus to and from work quite a ways, that she's not driving the car, that it's a hardship for her, that the car was, if you want to know the background, the car was in her son's girlfriend's name, and now she won't sign the title over, so they can't get the proper tags on it. So that's exactly what we discussed. But
okay,
we didn't talk about her bills and everything.
Well, she gonna be surprised when she tries to pay for it, because it's gonna be $0. She's just
Oh,
gonna have to
thank
pay
you. Thank you, Your Honor.
I know. I asked Mary why she didn't look over at me and whisper to me, but you know, she ain't my superwoman sometimes. She's over here, feeling right now. She's supposed to be on it, like, yeah.
Well, I certainly try to stay on my toes in front of y'all ladies.
Robin Wilson.
Hi.
All right. Hi. Now calling the matter of People versus Robin Deshaun Wilson. This is ticket SP 11743220. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1416398. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, defective bumper, fender, or windshield. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you, ma'am, Ms. Wilson, please state your full name?
Robin Deshaun Wilson.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant is going to waive any right to any further hearings or trials. She's been advised. She's going to plead guilty to improper plate. There are matters being dismissed here for which I stipulate to probable cause.
All right. If that's the case, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand for me?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney that have been Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of December the 20th of 2022, ma'am. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Greenview in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, I did not.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, and stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
If possible, could I get 60? I just moved to a new place.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That brings us to August 7th. Is that going to be enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, August 7th, 2023. All right, she had 2 tickets in default. I'm gonna remove them from default and dismiss them.
I would so move, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, that's the best I can do for you today, Ms. Wilson. You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Oh, no problem. I understand, Ms. Wilson. Sometimes it get a little tough out here in these streets, but you'll be all right.
Yes, I just want to keep my license, so I appreciate you so much.
I understand. I see that excitement. You smile like, I got to keep my license, okay?
Yes, I'm at work right now. I've been telling them all day, I cannot miss this court date.
No, that's right. Okay, ma'am. Well, good luck to you, okay? Get back to work. Thank you for your patience, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. How do I find out, like...
I'll do it. How do you what?
How do I find out, you know what I mean? Like where
so how you pay it? You can either go on 36districtcourt.org and pay it, or you can come down physically and pay it at 36 District Court. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so give us a couple of days to put it in the computer system, then you'll be able to go on and handle it, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ms. Wilson. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. And last but not least, Ms. Williams. Shakira Williams.
Yes.
All right, go ahead, turn on your camera for me, please. All right. Are you laying down for court with a bonnet on?
No, I actually just opened my eyes.
All right, there we go. All right, now calling the matter of the People versus Secure Renee Williams. This
Can
is
you
ticket
see
number
me?
I can see you. Yep,
Okay.
that's how I knew. Okay. Now calling the matter of the People versus Secure Renee Williams. This is ticket SP 1363024. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1363448, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1197737. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1112548. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, improper plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Shakira Williams.
Judge, the defendant and I have had an opportunity to discuss the fact that this is a pretrial. She's been advised of her rights to a trial. She's going to waive those here today. She's pleading pursuant to the recommendation that the driver's license offense would be reduced to failure to display and the other counts would be dismissed.
Which one? Did you have all these tickets involved in this today?
No, I can confer with Ms. Schneider if you would allow me an opportunity.
Well, how about you do an improper plates, a driver license suspended, and then I'll dismiss the rest.
That's an excellent deal, Ms. Williams. And we're going to add one more plea to that. That would be an improper plate. That's 0 points. You pay a fine for that, and the other counts will be dismissed. So you're pleading to 2 counts: failure to display and improper plates.
Okay.
Okay? All right, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
That's Attorney Baughman. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of June 14th of 2022. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Russell Street and East State Fair in the city of Detroit?
Yeah. Yes.
And then while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
I didn't know that my license was suspended because I never went and got my license. So I didn't even know they could be suspended without getting them. So I wasn't sure.
So had you never acquired your driver's license?
No.
Okay. And did you also not have any car insurance on the vehicle at the time?
Yes.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
By yes, you mean affirmatively that you did not have insurance. Am I right?
Yeah, I didn't have insurance.
I'm satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Given, so stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display, amended charge of improper plates. The remaining tickets called on this record today will be dismissed. Attorney Baughman, on this ticket that she just pled to, there is a case that's in default, civil infraction, wrong way on a one-way. That has points, doesn't it?
Oh, yes, it does. We'll move to set that aside, Your Honor. And I would also move to incorporate that as part of the plea agreement as a dismissal.
The court is going to set aside the default. I'm going to include it as a part of this dismissal for today.
Thank you.
She has another one, but it's older, so I'm gonna make you pay that. Miss Williams, you are too young to be getting all these tickets. You hear me?
Yes.
You hear me? Miss Williams, you do not want to
Yeah,
charge your life.
I'm a young mom, so I just be out here trying to, work and get places as
And
best
that's
as I
even more
can.
reason. Miss Williams, that's even more of a reason, because you're a young mom and you need to be an example to them of how you conduct yourself as a citizen.
Mhm.
Okay?
Yes.
So even though they're young, they take on your tendencies, right? I act like my parents, right? I do how they behave and how they act. Okay? So you want them to have good habits growing up, okay? And one of those habits is you're gonna go get your license, okay?
Yes, I am. I really am. I was
You
waiting
know how
on
many
court.
insurance how far are you along in the process?
As far as what?
Getting your
Getting my
license. Yes.
I haven't went yet because I was told that I had to wait to court and after the tickets and all that and after that tell me everything I need to do, and then I was told I really couldn't get them right now, so I haven't went yet. I don't even have a car at the moment anymore, so it's like I wasn't.
Even though you don't have a car, Miss Williams, I didn't get my license until I was 20. Maybe I was 20. I didn't have a car, but I knew it was important for me to get my license because you know what? I knew one day I wanted to drive.
Right.
So even though you don't have a car now, this is something that you need to be working on. So that way, when you get a car, you're good to go. Okay. All right. So she has you have a registration plate fee violation that you're gonna have to pay. That's in warrant status already. I'm gonna charge you $200 additionally on one of these tickets. Okay, and I'm gonna give you 60 days to pay that. So that's August 7th, 2023. I'll waive the costs and fines on the other ticket, but you gotta get your license, okay?
I know. So am I available to get them now? Or
You should be able to. So here's what I want you to do, ma'am. I want you to go to the Secretary of State's office, make an appointment to go in a couple of weeks, have them print out any other tickets you may have that are affecting your ability to get your license. They'll tell you. Take care of those tickets and then apply to get your license.
Okay.
There's no reason. You especially need one because you have children or a child at least, okay?
Children, yes.
Children, okay? So you need to be able to navigate for them whenever it's the appropriate opportunity, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams, I know I'm lecturing a little bit, but that's because I saw your date on here, the birthday, and there's too many tickets for you to have. I don't want you having all these tickets. It's too much.
I know.
You can't start. This is it. We're gonna draw the line right now. Because guess what, Ms. Williams, you get another ticket soon. Guess who you gonna come see?
I don't want to be there.
You don't want to see me, do you? Because I'm gonna remember, don't you know that?
Yes.
I will, okay? All right. I wish you good luck though. That's why I did a couple of things, because I know that I don't want you to have a lot of points. So that's why we took away that ticket, but you gotta do your part. Okay.
Okay. And you said
All
by
right.
August, what day?
August the 7th. I gave you 60 days, okay? August the 7th, have that $200 paid.
Okay. And how do I do that? Because last time I didn't know.
That's how it was. Okay, you either come physically down to 36th District Court, or you can do it online at 36districtcourt.org. Just Google 36th District Court in Detroit, and it'll pop up our website, okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right, you got any more questions, Ms. Williams, or no, you good?
No, that'd be all. So you said I can't go down there and after I pay the ticket or before I pay the tickets and get the other ones paid?
Yeah, I would go to the Secretary of State's office now and kind of see where you're at and what you need to have paid. They'll print it out for you and tell you exactly what you need to take care of so that you can apply for your license.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Miss Williams. Good luck to you, okay? I want the best for you. That's why I'm
Thank you.
All right. You have a good day, okay? All right.
You too.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. That's this morning's docket.